We are live at the Home and Garden Show, and Terry Crouppen of Brown and Crouppen fame joins us. Terry, you got to tell me, since we're at the Home and Garden Show.
How are you, by the way?
I'm doing very well, thank you. Are you when it comes to landscaping, when it comes to gardening, where are you in the hierarchy?
I am probably the most handy human being in the world. I actually put ice in my own water at home now. No, I know nothing about it. I love it all, and it's a great show.
However, you do know a lot about the legality of working with contractors, of biting off more than you could chew when it comes to home improvement. What would you say is the biggest pitfall when it comes to somebody working with contractors doing a big home improvement project?
It's probably not starting, it's a bad start.
Yeah.
Getting the wrong person, not checking them out. I think probably if I was going to give one bit of advice, I would have people make sure that if they deal with somebody, make sure they get names of people they've dealt with before and they contact them and they see what their experience was like. And if it's a bad one, stay away from it.
You know, I had an interesting conversation with the organizers of this event. This is something I didn't even think of, but because it's their name on this show, they really vet all of the exhibitors because they don't want someone coming to this facility and latching onto a contractor that in the long run is going to cost them more money than they should.
No, I mean, it's I've walked around the show. There's hundreds of exhibitors. They all look to do fine work. Just make sure that you check them out and talk to the people they've worked with. There's no better referral than somebody who's used them before and who's happy with them.
Is it normal in the world of contracting, the world of home improvement, to be asked to pay a certain percentage up front? That's fairly standard operating procedure. Shouldn't necessarily be a red flag, right?
That's correct. But I think as a consumer, I think in the balance, the yin and yang of this kind of deal, you'd rather have more money in your pocket and less in their pocket until it's all completed to your satisfaction.
Sure.
So try to keep as much in your side of the table until the work's done and then give it over. But it is normal to pay something up front, sure.
And when the work is done and you're not satisfied with the outcome, what's your next step? What do you do?
Well, first step is to go to the people and say, look, this wasn't done the way we had agreed, and hopefully you'll have paperwork to verify that and get them to fix it. And I think most reputable people understand that there may be some differences and they will correct it. Second of all, I would go to the Better Business Bureau because they have resolution dispute procedures which I think can solve a lot of these problems. Third, if it's a small amount of money, I'd go to small claims court. And last resort, if it's a large amount of money involved, get an attorney.
That's the bottom line at the end of the day. If you've tried and you met stumbling block after stumbling block, call Brown and Crouppen, or the attorney of your choice, of course.
Thank you, man.